Most traders don't lose because their Forex strategy is bad. They lose because nothing is measured. They jump from strategy to strategy. They change indicators. They blame the market. But the real issue is simpler and harder to accept. No rules, no journaling, no accountability. And without accountability, consistency never happens. Today, I want to break down why most traders stay stuck for years, what professionals actually do differently, how trading psychology, risk management, and discipline really work, and how to finally stop repeating the same mistakes. If you trade Forex, whether it's day trading, scalping, or swing trading, this applies to you. Most traders feel like they're improving. They watch more videos, they understand price action better, they learn technical analysis, but their results don't change. That's because learning without tracking creates false confidence. You can't fix what you don't review. You can't improve what you don't measure. This is where most traders get trapped. They confuse activity with progress. Professional traders don't. They treat trading like a system, not entertainment. Every serious trader I know journals, not to look professional, not to feel productive. They journal because memory lies, but data doesn't. At this level, journaling isn't optional. It's how traders stay objective. Let's compare behavior. Most beginners trade emotionally, break rules after one loss, avoid reviewing mistakes, change strategies constantly. Professionals track every trade, review weekly, respect risk management, follow data, not feelings. The difference isn't confidence. Confidence is a result, not a skill. What professionals really have is structure, discipline, and brutal self-honesty. That's what creates consistency. This is exactly why journaling platforms exist, not for screenshots, not for aesthetics, but to expose behavior. Overtrading, breaking rules, inconsistent risk. Most traders think they're disciplined until the data proves otherwise. You can't fix trading psychology with motivation. You fix it with clarity. Most emotional mistakes come from uncertainty, not knowing your real win rate, not knowing your real risk, not knowing what you actually do wrong. When there's no data, emotions fill the gap. That's why journaling changes psychology, not motivation. If you want a clean way to do this, I personally recommend TradeZella, not because it's flashy, but because it tracks the metrics that actually matter: behavior, risk, and consistency. I left it linked below for traders who are ready for that level of accountability. Risk management is the real edge. Most traders say they understand risk, but behavior says otherwise. Risk management isn't just position size, it's when you trade, how often you trade, when you stop, what setups you avoid. If this isn't tracked, it's gambling. This is where discipline is either proven or exposed. Once you can see your behavior clearly, emotions lose power. That's when trading psychology actually improves. Consistency is boring, and that's why it works. Consistent trading isn't exciting. No revenge trades, no dopamine hits, no hero moments. Just execute, review, adjust. That's financial discipline. That's how professionals survive long term. Live analysis versus review. Most traders obsess over live Forex analysis. Professionals spend more time reviewing. Live trading makes money. Review builds skill. Without review, technical analysis stays theoretical. Price action stays random. Growth stays slow. Review is where traders level up. How to break this cycle? If you want to stop being stuck, do this. Define simple rules, track every trade, review weekly, respect risk management, let data remove emotion. No secret strategy, just discipline applied consistently. If consistency and discipline are what you're missing, start by tracking your behavior. The journaling tool I use is linked below. Use it only if you're serious about fixing what's holding you back. If this video helped you, like it. Subscribe if you want more content focused on trading psychology, risk management, and real consistency. And comment below, what's the one habit you know you need to fix? I'll see you in the next one.